Libra is the mirror we meet ourselves within. Libra is not just balance, this energy is becoming harmonious. The moment awareness turns outward, seeking connection, reflection, and shared innerstanding. The art of relationship, to listen, to consider, to meet another soul halfway. Beauty as alignment. Here we learn that harmony is not the absence of tension, but the willingness to bring opposing forces into balance. The Zodiac as a living wheel, each sign a branch of the same tree. The Zodiac is not just signs, they are the unfolding of the soul. 12 signs, one path, each a key to becoming. The Healing Key. The Zodiac series, Wear Your Light, Ground Your Truth, Libra.